Hey everyone, well this is my first video blog, trying to actually see if I could take advantage of the Atlanta traffic here as I'm driving. So one thing, I am driving, so there's going to be pauses and interruptions most likely in this, but I think it'll be something good, something where hopefully I can help you as an entrepreneur think through things you can do with your business and just try to hopefully grow your brand. So my name is Joe Sumter of Tech Levitate. My business focus is to help elevate businesses through the use of emerging technology, and also to provide a consumer brand or a consumer fun or entertainment centered around gaming. So at Tech Levitate, it's a relatively new business. Started about a year ago, really just on a side business. I still work full time for a Fortune 500 company. So really the business is more focused on, like I said, entertainment, building games. One of my passions is actually to build a gaming studio over time. I've had some success. At least I've had a few games out there. One of them was Pumpkin Samurai, which won hackathon using augmented reality to actually slice up pumpkins, kind of like a Fruit Ninja. And also won another award for a game called Kitty Cat Breakout, which I built with my sister and brother, actually. My brother did the music, DJ T Woods, and my sister Joy, she did a lot of the graphics. And we won one of the Microsoft awards for building that type of game. It's more of a brick, one of those older brick games where you kind of bounce the ball on the paddle to break the bricks. And our goal was to save the actual cat that was kind of trapped in a cage on the board, and we had multiple levels and stuff like that. So it was a pretty cool game. So those were two of the games that I've built over time. But going forward, what I'm hoping to do is actually to build a more advanced game. One of the games that I like playing a lot is Destiny. Destiny 2 now is the second version of it. And so I'm hoping to build something where it's like a first-person shooter type of game, more of a slasher type of game. There was a game called Dark Kingdom, which I played a lot with my friends. I'm hoping to do something similar to that eventually. And so that's my long-term goal. But to start off with, what I'm hoping to do is actually build smaller games with Tech Levitate, get a little brand recognition, and then hopefully again pursue that big, larger game similar to Dark Kingdom. So anyway, this is the intro video. Nothing fancy. Just wanted to give you a little bit of information about my company, and then kind of answer the question as to why you should watch these videos. My goal is to, as I'm building my company, share the experiences, especially for young entrepreneurs who are trying to build gaming companies, the difficulties, the challenges, and the successes, hopefully, and the fun in building advanced games. My platform, the platform I'm going to be using is Unity 3D. It's a pretty cool platform. It's very cross-industry, cross-device level of a platform. That allows you to build for various devices and various, smart TVs, mobile devices, consoles. So I'm hoping to leverage that platform to build something great. One of the things that I have written a book in Unity, so you can check that out online. I'll try to put that in show notes, hopefully. So I have, a good amount of experience in Unity, and I'm more moving towards AR, VR gaming development with Unity. So I'm doing a Udacity course on VR and AR, so that way I can gain a little bit more experience. But anyway, that's the goal. Thanks for taking a look at me, and hopefully I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, add some stuff to the show notes, and in addition, try to hopefully get a podcast out there as well at some point. So anyway, first video, got it done. Send me any questions. Again, it's techlevitate.com. Our YouTube channel, or my YouTube channel, is really just, I think it's just Tech Levitate. I don't have the channel ID as Tech Levitate, which sucks. YouTube, as you know, has changed their platform where you got to have a certain number of videos, certain number of views before you can actually make modifications to it. So I'm getting there, hopefully with your help. You know, thanks again, and we'll touch base again soon.